Hi everyone, I'm Kev and welcome back to another episode of Kev's Draw Along. This week we are drawing the Clown Prince of Crime, the Joker. Since Batman issue 1, the Harley Quinn of hate has been tormenting the people of Gotham City, be it him getting his revenge, copywriting fish, or trying to prove it only takes one bad day for good people to snap. The Joker has been entertaining us in comics, films, animation and video games for over 80 years now. So, with that introduction done, let's get serious and draw the Joker. Okay, let's begin drawing the Joker. So first of all, get my pencil and I'm going to draw like a circle shape for the cranium. We're going to be just drawing a portrait of the Joker today. I think the most fun thing to draw about the Joker is his face. So we start off drawing with the head shape. Remember the Joker has got kind of like a pointy chin, a cartoonishly pointy chin. And we want to play with those proportions a bit. I'm not drawing like the film version of the Joker here or anything like that. So we'll add that pointy chin in. Big nose as well. The Joker usually has quite a large nose in the comics as well. Furrowed brow. Big smile. So now here's where I kind of went, oh, is that smile too big for the Joker? So I went a little bit smaller. Looking back on it now, I think I would have liked that bigger smile. And I kind of give the Joker an underbite as well, so his bottom jaw is kind of overlapping his bottom teeth are overlapping his top teeth. And this Joker kind of looks a bit like a cotton bud or a Q-tip if you want as well. So his hair swooshed back. He combs his hair back. Kind of spiky as well. I give him that like lace bow as well. So this kind of Joker kind of looks a lot more like maybe like the Arkham games Joker. Now I'm just adding in where I want to add some shadow. Shadow helps sell that he's sinister. Yeah, I just sketched this out all in blue pencil first before I went on to the inking stage. And now we go on to the inking stage. So, yep, get inking. I use a technical pen on Procreate for the inking as well. Add little wrinkle lines. When we smile, we have wrinkle lines. So I imagine the Joker would be quite wrinkly around the eyes and stuff because his face is always scrunched up in a smile. So now just little hatch lines to show where shadow is. So here we go. I've been cartoonish with the teeth. I tried not to go as cartoonish as, say, someone like Tim Sale, if you've seen Tim Sale's drawings of the Joker. And he looks like he's got a million teeth in his mouth. Yeah, so there's the hat, some more hatching. Yeah. And those wrinkles around the eyes. Swooshy hair. Quite like drawing the Joker's hair. Add some of that shadow to it, so because it's kind of like a dark green. Again, it all depends. He's been around for 80 years, so there's so many different depictions. I thought when I was drawing this, he looks like the actor Alan Cummings. You know, the guy who played Nightcrawler in the second X-Men film, Next 2. I think it looks kind of like Alan Cummings as the Joker. But I'm going in with those shadows. A lot of cross-hatching. So again, we use cross-hatching for a lighter shadow. Heavy blacks for like when it's completely in shadow. and just regular hatching. Sorry, so crest hatching for getting lighter, and then just hatching, so that's just the lines for when we want to just hint at a shadow. And you can cheat with the big black shadows as well. It saves you drawing out things if things are hidden in shadows. So just add wrinkles to his suit. As well. There we go. Tidy things up a little bit. A bit more depth, so the shadow adds depth as well. And here we go. So I've done my flats, and we're going to just go on and do colours. So giving kind of a reddish tint to the eyes. He's been laughing so much, his eyes have gone red. Kind of that red highlight around the eyes here. So I like it when yeah, you can see a bit of red underneath the Joker's pale skin. Yellowish teeth as well. His teeth would come out more yellow looking because of the paleness of his skin. So that's why we draw his teeth yellow in comparison to his skin. Go add in shadows. Today we're going to blend them in as well. I think I used the gloaming brush. If you go on to drawing, the drawing brushes on here, yeah, I picked a gloaming brush. It gives it kind of like a chalky feel. Just shade everything in. Yeah, blend everything in. And we add just adding little bits and pieces here and there. I was debating, do I want to give him kind of the lipstick going over his face. I went with the Injustice kind of pattern there, and I decided against it. I didn't like it. I went for bright kind of green eyes as well, so they really focus. You kind of focusing on the eyes. Some shadows and highlights added to the hair. And then I blended this in with the ink bleed brush, just to give it kind of different texture to the skin. And then, yeah, just under the jaw. Yeah, again, little bits and bobs. Playing around. Time to do the clothing. Few highlights, nothing too highlighted. And then the shirt and the bow. And some little highlights in the eyes. And there we go, our drawing of the Joker. If you have drawn along today, please send along your drawings to @KevsDrawAlong, and I will feature them on Instagram and on these videos. Tell me who's your favourite Joker. What's your favourite depiction of the Joker? Leave a comment in the comments. Also, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's if you liked this video. So, yeah. Alright then. That's it for today, and until next time, keep drawing. Bye bye.